Hi everyone, this is Alex and welcome back to Make It Easy. And for today's video, we're diving into another powerful tool that will help you multiply your productivity, the product formula. Imagine this, you're working on a spreadsheet filled with numbers. Maybe it's a quantities or prices for inventory or even dimensions for a construction project. Now you need to find the total product of that values. That's where the product formula comes in. With just a few simple clicks, you can multiply numbers in your dataset, giving you a total product of your data. But wait, there's more. The product formula isn't just about basic multiplication. It's about streamlining your calculations and making complex tasks a breeze. Whether you're new to a spreadsheet or pro, stick around as we explore the product formula and show you how to leverage its power to enhance your data analysis and streamline your workflows.